Kulinda mwananchi ni kulinda Kenya. Na sisi ndio Sifuna.
Gukwa na asetaro ya Linda Mwananchi ime kaunti ya Homa Bay tukolie goro. Nigabarai bekiombe kiabasae ba Linda Mwananchi besokirie na kugikeria bororo ogosagwanwa kwenegetwe abori tukolie goro.
My name is Linda Mwananchi, the SG for the National Youth League. So yesterday we experienced the death of something fundamental in this country. The fourth pillar, the political pillar of the Kenyan political blueprint in this country talks about political liberty, freedoms that you cannot alienate from the people of this great nation. One of them being the individual political rights, the sound governance of the public, and also the representation that Kenyans need in every aspect of their political life.
Gati yabalia babete bago tia amakweli abuli tukora igoro. Ngobona ba kwanire anenobosibole wikatiba ya Kenya.
First of all, I am the survivor of the Linda Mwananchi, on which yesterday tuliona kifo na macho, and I'm not afraid to say that so. Yesterday we were attacked. Hao ni watoto wa watu walikufa. And if you see the people that attacked us, si ati ni watoto wakubwa. They are young teenagers, and these young teenagers wanatumika vibaya.
If you do not agree with Linda Mwananchi, at least agree with the Constitution. Does it not say that everybody has the right for political self-determination? Does the Constitution not give every Kenyan the right to participate in political parties and the political processes of this country?
Ensemojende ni gobarolekana komochia abarai borogongorwe abubona sebarule kobule uchese serikali koira egetambokero asobwango.
Geoffrey Okalo, and just as my colleagues have spoken, we are speaking as the young people in Linda Mwananchi. And I'll just emphasize on what my brother has said. Ukweli ni ya kwamba we have given the government 14 days. We understand the procedures. You have your 14 days, do your investigations.
Gladys Wanga, our governor from Homa Bay. Failure to arrest them within 14 days. We, citizens of this country, we will take action and arrest these people.
Go talk to the people, see where their heart is.
Yes.
The spirit of Baba is with Linda Mwananchi. And we are not going to relent.
Mwali ojeni gabarai baboliwe gotegereri ogiria bananchi chinga kibagenderete na siasa chiabo.
That moving forward, we will not allow such kinds of leaders to be our leaders.
Yes.
Thank you.
The more muna attack Sifuna, the more atazidi kuwa juu. Na sauti yetu ni sauti ya Sifuna. Na hakuna mtu atastopisha sauti ya Sifuna.
So we are condemning it with strongest ways possible. Ushemeji bado itaendelea. Opondo Kaluma, shame on you. Gladys Wanga, shame on you. Richard Ogindo, shame on you.
Dipon Asanya, Getembe TV.